Alright y'all, Hood Handyman here, back with another video. Right now I got a vehicle that has a bumper that's, the plastic has basically broken on the bumper. So I'm going to fix the plastic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically, I'm back using my JB weld again, right? So what I'm going to do, I hope you guys can see that, is I'm going to tape this area here with some tape like so. Somebody's already tried to tape it up here, but the results were what they were. It didn't work. So I got some Gorilla tape. I'll take a small piece. And I'll put it right along here. Put it right there. And that should hold it about where I want to hold it at. We hope. I might have to put another piece up under the bumper because of the way it curves under. So I'll take a piece like this, and that way I can fold it under and kind of hit both sides here. Looks like my Gorilla tape don't want to stick too well, huh? Alright, we'll figure it out. So basically I'll take this tape off, I'll pull it back. Maybe I got it in the wrong spot. And I'll put it along here. It'll go up here, across the bottom. And then I'll bring it around to the back. Got another area right here. I need to put a little bit of JB weld right here. I tape this part up because what was happening is it's just starting to get worse. You know, driving the vehicle on the interstate, the wind is kind of like pulling it apart, and soon it's gonna get away from me, and it's gonna get to where the bumper's just gonna, it's just not gonna be good. So we're gonna try to fix it. And I know JB weld to hold it because it held my radiator. I know y'all saying, man, he used JB weld for everything. He don't spend no money. That's alright. Penny saved is a penny earned. You understand that? Alright. Alright, so we got that piece there and that piece there. And then we come back over here. And I'll show you the piece that I'm working on. Right about there. I do what I normally would do. I take this the JB weld. I put it on this with the Q-tip. I mix chemicals together. Like I said, it's black and it's gray, and it should turn into a full gray when it's done. And I probably could have used, a clamp or something to help keep this bumper together so it doesn't come apart on me while I'm doing all night while I'm doing this. But see, it's starting. I can't keep it pushed in all the way. Excuse me. But we're just trying to do the best we can. We don't want it to like show. So I'll just stick some of it in there. You don't want to put it on the tape. The tape's got to come off. Just want to get it on here. Close to the tape, but not on the tape. I don't know how well y'all gonna be able to see the crack at the top, but let's see if we can get you to see some of that. Then if I want to, I can go back and paint it a little bit, paint it red or do something cute to it. I'm not worried about all that, but I could if that's what I chose to do. And it doesn't want to hold the way I want to either. Just kind of want to come out. But like I said, I'm just trying to keep it so the bumper doesn't keep ripping. The best way you can do it is just turn it in a circular motion. That way it goes in the crack. The best way it can. Just keep going, work with it. When it hardens up, it should be barely noticeable. "15 hours on a nice day it takes for this stuff to work. And the best way that I'm doing is circular. I'm trying not to make it noticeable, but it's gotta go in there. I'm sure that humongous crack was even more noticeable, so you can go to AutoZone, I think sells touch-up paint. You can go there and get a little touch-up paint and see what happens, what you can do with it. But for now, this is what we're doing. You make a mistake, you can take your finger and kind of wipe it off. Do it just like you would if you're doing like some caulk in a bathtub. You just kind of smear it in that crack and smear some up here. I got this stuff on my camera. It'll never come out, but it's okay. Alright. Now I'm on this side. Right here on this crack, it's all the way up here. I'm not going to hit the ends. I'm going to go back and hit those ends when I come back. And the stick is not going the way I want. There we go. The best way to do it is just a circular motion, because that way you can control how wide your gap is there and not putting more up there than you need. Start trying to brush it, it'll be very, very noticeable. It's going to be noticeable anyway because the bumper's red, but I don't know if I can use spray paint on this thing. It might, well, the JB Weld, if it sets, should be able to use whatever you want, right? I'm just saying. Alright, so I probably won't be driving this today. I'll probably come back tomorrow and it's got to set. So then you just take your finger here and sure it gets in that crack. There we go. And that's it. That should hold up. And then I'll pull that off tomorrow, that tape, and then put some more in. It should be good. Hood Handyman, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out.